Welcome to Coders Club. You may have seen in our other video what is a variable. Let's see a bit more details of it now. Let's start with a question: why do we really need a variable? A variable is needed to store some value, that's true, but still it's not detailed enough. You might remember our video about what is a variable where we mentioned it's a name given to a storage area in main memory to store and access a value. But there is still a question: why can't we store it directly in the memory instead of giving a name? For simplicity, I have used such a simple memory picture in that video so that one can understand it easily. But in reality, the memory is much more larger than that. It could be like this, or even in a form where an individual location becomes negligible in size and not representable as a shape. If we store it in the memory directly, then we need to specify the address of the memory in our program. There are millions and millions of such small storage areas in our main memory. How does it looks like specifying to pick a value from 2,234,471st location and add it with the number from 2,234,475th location. And believe me, we need to have hundreds of such addresses in our program to hold various values. Hence we give memory a human readable name which is nothing but our variable. Use that to refer the actual memory location and leave the address thing to the programming language. Is that it? Is it just for the readability? And how does it works actually? It's not only for readability. When our program is running, it's not the only process that is running in a computer. There will be lot of such programs running. This means each program get a portion of memory when they start running from the same main memory. So what becomes clear is until a program starts running, the memory area it's going to get will not be known to the program. Our program will get a random portion of memory when it starts running, and hence it's not possible to directly specify the memory location in the program without using a variable. And when it encounters the variable names, it starts allocating memory within the available space. Our programming language takes care of mapping the variable name to a memory location given to it. If you see, here there is a starting address to the overall memory given to the program, and each variable gets a memory location within the start and end address. With some kind of mapping, our programming language will be able to map the variable to the actual physical memory location. This is one of the important reasons why we use symbolic human readable variable names instead of direct memory addresses. And this is how internally things work when we use a variable. But our programming language hides such complexities out of us and let us write just the code. You may wonder how the program gets its memory and from whom. We will try to see those details in a different set of videos related to operating system. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share and kindly subscribe to our channel.